Yeah. Question is this. If the pair of lines represented by the linear equations, okay, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 are coincident lines. That means, see, they have given two linear equations, this and this. Linear equations means they represent lines. That means when you graph this equation, you will get a straight line. So these are called line equations. Lines, I can say, no problem. So line equations are given, okay, and they are telling these two represents two lines and they are coincident lines. They are telling coincident lines. Coincident means one line fall on other. For example, see, this is one line. I will say AB. This is one line. When I say coincident lines, other lines should fall on this. Exactly like this. I am going to draw another line that exactly falls on this, like this. This is, I will take a line P G, I will take. See, line AB and line PG are falling on one another. Exactly. So these lines are called coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay. So these two represents coincident lines. They are telling. That is the question. So next, what they are telling, then find the values of A and B. We have to find the values of A and B. This A and this B. That is the question. Okay. And now, first what we have to do, right? First, we have to write standard form of linear equation. I will write now. See, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is standard form of linear equation. When I say linear equation means the powers of variables x and y will be 1 only. See, for example, take x, here nothing is there means 1 is there. Take y, so nothing is there means here 1 is there. So powers are 1 for these variables x and y. When the variables have power 1, then we say linear equation. This a, b, c are numbers, they are constants. Okay, that's why this is called linear equation. This is general standard form of linear equation. Okay, next what I will do, I will consider this x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. See, if there is only one equation given, I can take I can represent these numbers a, b, c. Okay, before that, see, only x is there. Here nothing means 1 is there. We have to assume 1 is there. Okay, this 1, 2, minus 4, they are number, right? Numbers. If there is only one equation, I can take this is a, this is b, this is c. But here they have given two equations, this and this. So for that, what I will do, for this first equation, I will take a1, b1, c1. Because we have other equation, for that we will take a2, b2, c2. For this I will take a1, b1, c1. For this I will write general form using a1, b1, c1 according to this. Now this is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is in the form of this. Okay, next I will take this ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0. For this I will take a to b to c2 and I will write like this: a to x plus b to y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what do you do? They have given coincident lines. See, there is a condition in terms of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. There is a condition for coincident lines. Okay. So what is that condition for coincident lines is, I will write now. So this is a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2, that is equal to a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So this is condition, or I can say kind of formula you have to remember. And coincident lines, for a coincident lines, this is the condition you have to remember. Now using this you can find the values of a and b. How we can find? We have to substitute the values for a1, a2, b1, b2 and all. First a1, see here a1, in place of a1 what we have? 1 is there. See, a1 is equal to 1, I will substitute 1. Next is divided by a2, come here. So here, see, x same, in place of a2 what we have? A is there. So a I will write. Next is equal to, next to b1, come here, see y same, in place of b1 what we have? 2 is there, that 2 I will write it here. Next this divided by, next to b2, come here, see y same, in place of b2 what we have? B is there, that b I will write it here. Okay. So next that is equal to c1, come here. In place of c1 what we have? 4, not just 4, you have to consider this sign also, minus 4. c1, in place of c1 we have minus 4, I will write it here. Next to c2, so come here, so in place of c2 what we have? Not just 12, you have to consider this sign also, minus 12, this I am going to write here. Next see, these are the known values, numbers. See 1, 2, minus 4, minus 12, they are the numbers, we know what are those. Okay, but a and b we don't know. These are unknown numbers, we don't know what are the values of a and b. Now what we have to do? See, this is a fraction, this is a fraction, this is a fraction. Okay, now you have to select any two fractions first, two fractions along with the equal sign. You have to select any two fractions along with the equal sign first. Why? Because to find one unknown value. Okay. First I will take this and this. So here there should be only one unknown. If I take these two fractions, here a is there, b is there. Two unknowns, two values we don't know. So we have to select in that way, only one unknown should be there, only one unknown. If you select these two, there are two unknowns, a and b. So don't select these. Next come here. Here see, this is if you select these fractions, there is only one unknown, b. Okay, there is no a here, no a. Okay, so you can select these two fractions first. Okay, I will write it here, 2 by b is equal to minus 4 by minus 12. Okay, so here division symbol is there, this is also minus, this is also minus, both are same, I will cancel it. Okay, so here I will just erase. See, any previous content if you want to see, just move the video backward. Okay, this is done. When minus minus cancels, and also we can do other thing. 4 and 12 can be divided completely by 4. See, 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 4 3, 4 3s are 12, correct? We can divide like this. Now what is left? This 2 by v, so is equal to 1 by 3. Now what we do? We will do cross multiplication like this cross multiplication. So when I do cross multiplication, 2 into 3 is equal to b into 1. Next 2 3s are 6, correct? So that is equal to b into 1, b only. Okay, since there is equal sign, we can switch the sides, that means we can interchange, no problem. Because of this equal sign, 6 is equal to b or b is equal to 6, both are same because equal sign is there. So next step, b is equal to 6. So we got one answer, b value we got. So what is left? We need to find the value of a. Next, so we got b is equal to 6. I will just erase this. Next we want a. Now again we have to select two fractions along with the equal sign so that there is only one unknown. See, now I can select these two. These two fractions I can select. You can ask, here there are two unknowns a and b, but we already calculated b value of b 6. So we know value of b also. That means we know this value, we know this. So we don't know only one unknown, that is a. When there is only one unknown, then you can select these two fractions, no problem. I will select these two. So 1 by a is equal to 2 by b. Okay. Next step, that is implies. This is implies. Implies is different, equal sign is different. Okay. So next step, what I will do, 1 by a is equal, this I will take as it is, 1 by a is equal to 2. Okay. In place of b, substitute this value 6. b is equal to 6. So in place of b, I am going to substitute 6. Next, this 2 and 6 can be completely divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So whatever left, you write it here. 1 by a is equal to 1 by 3. Now do the cross multiplication like this. So 1 into 3. 1 into 3, 3. I will write directly. 1 into 3, 3 is equal to a into 1, a. See, because of this equal sign, 3 is equal to a or a is equal to 3, like this. So both are same. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6 are the answers. So the question asked, find the values of a and b. So according to the question, we got the values. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 6. So this is the answer. So we solved the problem. We are done with the answer. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.